If you're looking for affordable but high quality makeup, then this video is for you. So Rivaj sent me a bunch of their products to try out. This is their HD line, which is their more premium line. सबसे पहले हम try करेंगे इनका mascara. This is what the wand looks like. What I love about this mascara is that it's not clumpy and it's not like too sticky. Thank God they sent me lashes because you guys know that I do not function without a lash. Number one is on, and oh my God, you guys, it's such a subtle difference. So these are great if you want a natural, soft eyelash, and I'm obsessed. I'm gonna have to like run to the store and grab all of these. Next up, we're going to be trying the Rivaj Blush Me Pink palette. We're going to be trying this one over here called Fantasy World. Love how easy to blend this blush is. If you know me, you also know that I am obsessed with blush. If you're also looking for affordable options that are easy on the pocket, then Rivaj HD is definitely for you. We're going to try their Rivaj HD powder. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Wow. That is like the Paris filter. It's literally giving such a blurring effect. You guys can compare the two sides. After I have lined my lips, I'm going to take the Rivaj Color Crush Matte Gloss in number 3 and just add that to the middle. So this is my final look using all Rivaj products. I am obsessed with their products, you guys. It's lipsticky feel, the finish. I love how matte it is. I love that they're easily available all over Pakistan and also at most local stores. And I also love that you are supporting your local brand.